my name is Nur Nabila Fitri. I'm from Group MKS, Group Bosco, and my game is Basic Tic-Tac-Toe.
Programmer coding in Pygame, we must include input Pygame, OS, SYS, modem, or copy. So, input Pygame, it can import and initialize is a very simple process. Pygame is a collection of different modules are written in C and some written in Python. In Python, we use layer, computer, window width, window height, tile size, half tile, board width, board height, font size. Is called as a constant. Constants are usually declared and assigned on a module. The color I use for my version of game, the dark and tan.
So, the player can click on the board tile to use as X or O.
Hi friends, my name is Satya Ruben. I'm from Group Bosco. My game version is Basic Tic-Tac-Toe but keyboard controller. Okay. My first block is include import Pygame and import SYS and import OS. Import Pygame is important and installed file I already installed. While important side is to provide access to some variable and user to maintain by the interpreter, and then the import OA is to provide the way to operating system depend functionality. Okay, second block is about create the screen. The screen is 800 and 640. The 800 is width of the size and 640 is height of the size of screen. And I also input some colors. So for example, black color, white, green, blue, red. Those all use RGB coding. And then I also made a message to the player like press the space to play again. Okay, the third block is the Pygame init. Is installing all important Pygame models, and I also input the font is the Time New Roman, and also the size is 100. And create game underscore over the font and replay underscore font is display the font in the game. Then a setup window with the width and height with the caption Tic-Tac-Toe and set the time on the time. Okay, the fourth block is I input the music. The first line is I put the load from file from computer. The second line is the play is once time. Then solve it. Okay, the fifth block is how to draw the line into screen. In the vertical line is 1 and 2, make a draw 2 lines with a blue color and size of line vertical view. In the horizontal line on 1 and 2, we'll draw a line is horizontal view and with the red color and size of line. Okay, the sixth block is means how to draw the letter into the screen. Okay, this block represent the drawing the letters in the Pygame including the color and position. The player can allow the redirecting the two type fonts into the new surface object. Then draw letter in the center position into surface object. Okay, the seventh block is how to install board in the Pygame. Board look like a square and make each player have to one time turn, and each row has a 3 square in shape, so totally a 9 square. The 8th block is show how much width and height each cell in the screen. The 9th block is totally about the contents of each row. Okay, the first row draw is number until number 3. Okay, the board append is meant to combine the program left to right, and reverse move the count number 1 left and number 9 till right. Okay, number 1 will be ultimately plus 1, number 2 and will be placed at the top to bottom. Okay, the 10th block is a reference to the how to decide the winner between the two players. For example, row 0, row 1 and row 2 with the same letter means the winner, or else will be decided by the range of the board. Okay, 11th block is the refer back to the board, which means provide the required functionality. Return all means the row the board is used to when the function is ready to return a value is recorded is the block usually about the repeat all statement before the about the board is install the board before the installing board. Okay, the 12th block is mainly show the control of the game. If press number 1, then number 1 the square of the label 1 is filled up with the number 1 with the letters X or O, which place is 0, 0 coordinate. Okay, the 13th block also is continuing show the controls of the games. If the press number 2, the square of label number 2 fill up with the letter X or O, or while number press number 3 will the square number 3 will fill up with the X or O. Okay, the 14th block also contain the block of the controls. If press number 4 is in the cell of label number 3 fill up with the X or O, while press number 5 will square number 5 will with the letter X or O. Okay, the 15th block also continue of the control of the game about the when pressing the key number 6 in keyboard, then will be labeled in the number 6 fill up with the letters X or O. While press number 7 will fill up with the X or O in number square number 7. 16th block is the last part of the control. When press number 8 is labeled in the coordinate 2 and 1 of the coordinate, which means the third row and center square. While press number 9 will be labeled the letter X or O in the last square of the board. Okay, 17th block is also show the sending a last message to the player after the game. Okay, in the main underscore tag is include which font and colors font used and placing on the screen, and then you also make a reply message by the player in the game. This code include the font and color and size. And the 18th block is about the drawing the letter in the board. Okay, then the screen dot fill white means to set up the screen color in the white. Then the draw the letters each cell of the board. If the cell bracket player to the X means the player of the X will be set up the blue color after the player press any keys. While cell player O, which means the second player should be O, and set the green color after the player press any numbers. 19th block is to give a message to player like as if any player get win or draw, it will be show a message a player win or draw will be shown after the game in the red color. And Pygame display update means the Pygame update the game enter the surface only if no argument is passed. The clock dot tick bracket 16 is referred to keep the game running slower than the 16 seconds. Okay, the 20 block is define the define main is the main function means define the of the game, and the board install underscore the board under bracket screen and underscore screen means the refer back to the board block. Play X means the main is the main player and start to first. Then during the game cannot change the player. Then the 21 block is the while statement is the loop block. The Pygame is run successfully with any errors or fraction that closes the Pygame while the still running. While the Pygame dot quit is just check the Pygame is running or not. The 22 block is referred to the repressing every key on the keyboard. For example, if you press space key after the game will reset everything. Okay, the 23 block is the refer back to the decide the winner block, means to decide the winner between X and O, and game and bracket draw and bracket is statement is for gameplay will be draw after the X or fill the 9 cell without any same letters. The reader is refer back include the screen size, the game and clock, which means to refer back to the screen block. Okay, the final block is for the when the last move did not win and end the game, switch to the other player.
my game version is basic tic-tac-toe with point. Okay, first, this encoding is used to call the car image that is in the file and to set it as an icon on the window display. This encoding is used to set the color. Number used to make sure the colors are youngest and brighter. Coding for window display, window has been changed from 400 to 450. The window view will look bigger and slightly wide from the original coding screen. The icon has been changed from folder logo.png to car.png. It's going to change to a picture of a car that has been uploaded in a folder and it was included in the encoding. Digital color white 255, 255, and 255 has been converted to yellow. This color yellow. Second, this encoding works to set the font type and the font size used when the mouse is emphasized in the game grid. The encoding for text to be filled in the game grid is converted from Arial font type to Present Bold. Text will look more clear and interesting. Data font encoding is also converted from size 100 to size 110. The text will look slightly larger. Third, this encoding works to set the font type and font size used on the window display during game over. The encoding for text that will be displayed during game over is exchanged from Arial font type to Present Bold. Text will look more clear and interesting. Data font encoding is also converted from size 40 to size 60. The text will look slightly larger. Game display filled yellow. Code encoding on display is converted from white to yellow. Okay, fourth, this encoding works to display scores on gameplay views. Encoding on display score changes from Arial font type to presentbold.ttf. Description for font size is converted from size 30 to size 25. Text mark will be slightly smaller than the original ones. 5. This encoding works to display game rotation turn on display. The encoding on the game rotation is converted from Arial to presentbold.ttf. Description for font size is converted from size 13 to size 25. Number 6. This encoding is used to set the title in window. The title encoding on window display window is exchanged from the original tic-tac-toe smaller case letter to tic-tac-toe uppercase letter. It's clearer and easier to read. Number 7. Description of background song is added and it will sound when the game wins and game over. Description of background song is added and it will sound when the game wins and game over.
The player and computer as an integer in my module. The color I use for my version is white, aqua and magenta. The white colors is for the line, magenta is for X and aqua is for O. I put the coding which is to make the tile is empty again after player finish playing the tic-tac. The next coding is to tell the program that some probabilities that have been set in coding. After that, the next coding is tell about movement, player and box, the match between player and computer. By the way, the player will start the first move. Then the computer will fill the blank box. The new blank box, the player will start a new movement. The next coding is tell how the game is over. In the coding, I said the mouse press can still be connected to the player when player playing again. Additionally, it tells about movement and mouse button. The more the command to detect the writing in the box and the mouse when it's pressed. Coding is to tell the colors for the object placed by player and computer. More, it tells the object to be centered in the box. The print program for knowing the winner by placing the winning word. Update files fit for program to call coding by container in Python 5. Last but not least, a module's name is equal a main from standard input. Function is entry point of any program.
The encoding is here. Open the video. Saya masuk. Set dia.
Hi friends, my name is Satya. I am from Group Bosco.